The Indian Constitution ensures justice, liberty, equality and fraternity through fundamental rights and directive principles. These principles promote a fair and inclusive society, safeguarding individual freedoms and ensuring equal opportunities for all citizens.
So how to promote the Indian Constitution in the schools and colleges for students?
Promoting the Indian Constitution in schools and colleges can be achieved through educational programs, workshops and interactive sessions, incorporating constitutional studies in the curriculum and organizing debates and discussions can help students understand its principles and significance.